got my brother Michael in the shot. Oh, that sunrise low. Matt Props, we're living across the street from it. Oh yeah. It's like almost you can walk up to it, so it's a train. Nah. Gotta act goofy sometimes.